Preferred Pest Control got started in 1985 by my dad, Brad Smith. He graduated from Iowa State University with a degree in entomology, and his expertise and knowledge in insects really helped provide a solid foundation for our company to build off of. We are still family owned today, with my brother Andy and myself now owning and operating the company. My dad's technical knowledge of insects has been a key focal point in our training and expertise, and we use that information so that we can provide the best service. We love taking on big pest issues because we believe that's going to bring out the best in our company. It gets us to be more creative, and it really gets us excited to do the work. We specialize in manufacturing sensitive environments such as hospitals or schools, apartments, and also industrial buildings. We can provide a free inspection to any facility to give you an idea of issues you may not be aware of. Those issues can really grow over time and become a major problem. So being proactive goes a long ways. Integrated pest management is central to what we do. It's a way for us to provide long-term results without always using pesticides as a first option. Integrated pest management looks at resolving an issue by identifying environmental, physical issues around a structure that could be contributing to your pest problem. At first, we want to do a detailed inspection to see what the issues are you're dealing with on site. Once we do that, we'll tailor a plan for your facility. One method of control is installing traps, and when we monitor them, we can scan them and track them in the app that we use to provide detailed reports to our customers. We also can install fly lights and monitor those on a regular basis, provide preventative pesticide treatments in areas of high risk. We can use a variety of different products, such as gel baits or liquids or aerosols, to resolve a pest issue, but we try to use the most effective method possible that has the least impact on people that are around that product. It's a fulfilling job to be able to protect important structures or different places that we visit on a regular basis. One thing that we're proud of as a company is that we won the Better Business Bureau's Porch Award for the highest honor of ethics and trust in the workplace. We pride ourselves in providing quick, prompt, and also a reliable service that customers can count on. I'm really proud to have a family-owned business where we can provide a real tangible service to improve our customers' lives, and also to have that family bond and to be able to work with each other at the same time.